Hello, I am Dr. Shikhar Kanti. In this video, we solve some problems on mathematical expectation of a random variable. Consider this example. Let x be a random variable and fx is given by kx. X lies between 0 and 1. And in other cases, its value equal to 0. Find k and mean. So first we find k. By the definition of PDF, we have integration minus infinity to plus infinity fx dx is equal to 1. Okay, so this we have, but here minus infinity to 0 is fx value is 0, and after 1 again its fx value equal to 0. Therefore this reduces to 0 to 1 fx into dx. So in this range the fx value is kx into dx equal to 1. Integrating, we get k constant as it is. X integration is x square by 2 between 0 and 1 is equal to 1. Substituting the limits, upper limit x equal to 1, k into 1 is k by 2 minus 0, that is k by 2 is equal to 1. K by 2 equal to 1 or k equal to 2. This is the value of k. And we have mean is defined as 0 to 1 because the function is defined between only 0 and 1. Therefore, I am considering only from 0 to 1. Mean is defined as 0 to 1 x into px fx dx. This is equal to 0 to 1. X into fx is 2x. Kx means k equal to 2 here. X into 2x dx. This is equal to 2 is a constant quantity. X into x is x square. X square integration is x cube by 3 between 0 and 1. Substituting the upper limit x equal to 1, we get this is equal to 2 by 3 minus lower limit is 0. So that is mean is equal to 2 by 3. Next example, let x be a random variable having the PDF px is equal to x by 6 if x equal to 1, 2, 3 and its value equal to 0, otherwise in all other cases its value is 0. So I will write the table here. X is 1, 2, 3. Corresponding values of the probabilities are 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6. X equal to 1, 1 by 6. X equal to 2, 2 by 6. X equal to 3, 3 by 6. These are the corresponding values of Px. I have to find out E of x cube plus 2x square. That E of x cube plus 2x square equal to E of x cube plus 2 into E of x square. This is equal to E of x cube is given by sigma I from 1 to 3 x cube into P of x plus 2 into sigma E of x square is given by x square into P of x. So this is equal to, so here x equal to 1, P of x is 1 by 6. X equal to 2, P of x is 2 by 6. X equal to 3, P of x is 3 by 6. So that is x cube into P of x. X take the value from 1 to 3. X equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. 1 cube 1 into P of 1 plus 2 cube 8 into P of 2 plus 3 cube 27 into P of 3 is 3 by 6 plus 2 into E of x square is summation I from 1 to 3 x square into P of x. Okay, I from 1 to 3 times, that is here 1 square 1 into P of 1 plus 2 square 4 into 2 by 6 plus 3 square 9 into P of 3 is 3 by 6. This is equal to 1 by 6 plus 16 by 6 plus 81 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6 plus 8 by 6 plus 27 by 6. This is equal to, simplifying, we get this bracket is 98 by 6 plus 2 into, this is nothing but 27, 28, 36 by 6 equal to 98 by 6 plus 72 by 6. Adding, we get 170 by 6 or 85 by 3. 85 by 3 is the value. One more example. A continuous random variable has the continuous random variable x has probability density function given by f of x equal to 2 into e raised to minus 2x if x is greater than 0 and its value equal to 0 if x is less than or equal to 0. That is all in all other cases. Only when x is greater than 0, this is our fx. Otherwise, its value is equal to 0. Find e of x square and variance. So here e of x is given by minus infinity to plus infinity x into fx into dx. I will split this interval minus infinity to plus infinity as minus infinity to 0 plus 0 to infinity. Now minus infinity to 0, fx value is 0 plus x greater than 0 means x takes the value from 0 to infinity. Fx is equal to 2 into e raised to minus 2x. So f of x is 2 into e raised to minus 2x. That x into fx into dx. This is equal to, say, this value equal to 0. This integral value equal to 0 because the function is 0 here. Plus, I will integrate this by general rule of integration by parts. I will take x into 2, that is 2x as the first function, e power of minus 2x as the second function. First I will write the first function as it is, 2x into e raised to minus 2x integration is e raised to minus 2x by minus 2. Then I am writing minus sign here. Next we have to write a minus sign here, minus. Then write the derivative of 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2 into. Write the integration of this bracketed quantity. Integration of this is e power of minus 2x divided by minus 2. Okay. Minus of minus, this becomes plus. 2 into 1 more 2 I am getting here. This becomes 4. This is between 0 and infinity. That is equal to, substituting the limits, first put x equal to infinity. This becomes x by e raised to infinity. This is equal to 0. This 1 by e raised to infinity equal to 0. Here also e raised to minus infinity means 1 by e raised to infinity. This is also equal to 0. So upper limit gives 0 minus 0 minus lower limit. If I put x equal to 0, I have x here. 0 into this term becomes 0. That is first term is 0 minus second term. If I put x equal to 0, this becomes e raised to 0. E raised to 0 is 1. 1 by 4. That is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So the final value is minus, this is 0. This is minus into minus plus 1 by 2. This is our e of x. Then we find e of x square. We have e of x square is given by integration minus infinity to plus infinity x square into f of x dx. This is equal to, again I will split this interval minus infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity. But from minus infinity to 0, f of x value equal to 0 plus 0 to infinity, f of x value is 2 into e power of minus 2x. Okay. So we have to integrate this. First integration is 0 plus. Here I will take 2x square as the first function, e power of minus 2x as the second function. So I will write first function as it is, 2x square as it is. Integration of e power of minus 2x is e power of minus 2x by minus 2. That is minus e power of minus 2x by 2. Next write minus sign. 2x square derivative is 4x into integration of this. Integration of this minus 1 by 2 as it is, e power of minus 2x integration is e power of minus 2x by minus 2. That means minus minus becomes plus here, e raised to minus 2x by 4. Next write plus. First positive, negative, again positive. Then we write the differentiation of this. 4x derivative is 4. Into integration of the second part here. This is again integration of this is minus e raised to minus 2x divided by 2. Already one 4 is here. 4 into 2 becomes 8 with a negative sign. minus. This is between 0 and infinity. Now substituting the limits. First upper limit infinity. If I put infinity here, e raised to minus infinity, this term becomes 0. E raised to minus infinity, this term becomes 0. E raised to minus infinity, this term becomes 0. So that is here upper limit use 0 minus 0 minus 0 minus. What about the lower limit? Put x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, this becomes 0. 0 into this term is 0. Again here we have x. This is equal to 0. Therefore this into this equal to 0. Plus we are getting something here, some value here. If I put x equal to 0, this becomes e raised to 0 is 1. That is 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. 4 into minus 1 by 8 is minus 1 by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2. So final value is minus into minus is plus 1 by 2. E of x square is equal to 1 by 2. And variance is given by e of x square minus e of x whole square. This is equal to e of x square is 1 by 2 minus e of x whole square. E of x is 1 by 2. Its square is 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4. Next example. Let x be a random variable which denotes the life of a tube in TV. The probability function is given by f of x is equal to 40,000 by x square when x is greater than 100 and its value is equal to 0 otherwise. Find expected life of the tube. That means I have to find out E of x. Okay. So E of x is given by the formula minus infinity to plus infinity x into fx into dx. This is equal to, I will split this interval as, see here the function is defined only after x greater than 100. Otherwise its value is equal to 0. So this fx equal to this only when x is greater than 100. In all other cases its value equal to 0. Therefore I will split this interval as minus infinity to 100 and 100 to infinity. Okay. X into fx dx. X into fx dx. So this is okay. X cube x into fx. X is equal to x into f of x equal to 40,000 divided by x cube. This becomes 40,000 divided by x square into dx. Okay, x into fx is 40,000 by x square into dx. This is equal to, see the first integral is value equal to 0 because the function is 0 here, plus integrating this 40,000 is a constant quantity as it is 1 by x square integration is minus 1 by x. So this is our minus 1 by x between 100 and infinity. This is equal to, if you put the upper limit infinity, 40,000 by infinity is 0 minus of minus is plus 40,000 divided by lower limit is 100 here. Put 100. This is equal to 0, 100 gets cancelled. We get 40,000 divided by 100 is equal to 400. 400 is the expected value. Okay. Next example. Let x be a random variable with the probability density function f of x is equal to x square by 3 if x lies between minus 1 and 2 and its value equal to 0. Otherwise, find e of 4x plus 1. So here we have e of 4x plus 1 can be written 4 into e of x plus 1. This is equal to 4 into e of x is given by minus infinity to plus infinity x into fx dx plus this one as it is. That is equal to 4 into, I will split this interval minus infinity to plus infinity as minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 2 and 2 to infinity. Okay, minus infinity to minus 1, minus 1 to 2 and 2 to infinity. Here minus infinity to minus 1 fx value equal to 0, minus 1 to 2 fx value is x square by 3. Okay, x square by 3, and here we are considering x into fx. Okay, x into this, right? X into fx is x cube by 3 into dx plus 2 to infinity fx value is equal to 0 plus this one as it is. Now this is equal to 4 into this value equal to 0 and this value is also equal to 0. Only thing we have to integrate this one here. X cube by 3 integration. 1 by 3 is a constant quantity. X cube integration is x raised to 4 by 4. X raised to 4 by 4 into already 1 3 was here. This becomes 12 between minus 1 and 2 plus 1 as it is. This is equal to 4 into, substituting here upper limit 2. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 by 12 minus. Put x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 to the power of 4 is plus 1. 1 by 12. 1 by 12 plus this one as it is. This is equal to 4 into 16 by 12 minus 1 by 12 is 15 by 12 plus 1. That is equal to 4 into 1, 4 into 3 gets cancelled. 3 into 1, 3 into 5. This becomes 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Next example, let x be a random variable having PDF fx equal to 3x square, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 and its value is 0 otherwise. Find the variance. We have to find out v. To find v, I need e of x square and e of x because our formula is v equal to e of x square minus e of x whole square. So I need these two. So first I will find out e of x. E of x equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x into fx dx. This is equal to, I will split this limit minus infinity to plus infinity as minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1 and 1 to infinity. Okay. And from minus infinity to 0 fx value is 0. And 0 to 1 fx value is 3x square. Okay, 3x square into x. Okay, x into 3x square is 3x cube plus 1 to infinity, again fx value equal to 0. So this is equal to first integration value 0, last integration value 0. Integration of this is 3 as it is. X cube integration is x raised to 4 by 4. This is between 0 and 1. This is equal to, substituting the upper limit 1. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 by 4 minus lower limit value is 0. 3 by 4 is the value of e of x. Next I will go for e of x square. By the definition, e of x square equal to minus infinity to plus infinity. This is x square into fx dx. Again I will split this interval as minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1 and 1 to infinity. But here minus infinity to 0 fx value is 0 and 1 to infinity also the fx value is 0. But in between 0 and 1 fx value is 3x square. Okay, x square into 3x square, that is 3x to the power of 4. Okay, this is our x square into fx. X square into 3x square is 3x raised to 4 into dx. Value of this is 0, value of this is 0, only we have to integrate this. This is equal to 3 into x raised to 4 integration is x raised to 5 by 5 between 0 and 1 plus 0. This is equal to, substituting the upper limit 1 here, 3 into 1 is 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5. This is our e of x square. And variance v is given by e of x square minus e of x whole square. This is equal to E of x square. E of x square is 3 by 5 minus E of x whole square. E of x is 3 by 4. Its square is 9 by 16. 9 by 16. This is equal to 80 is the LCM here. 80 is the LCM. 16 into 3 is 48 minus 5 into 9 is 45. 48 minus 45 is 3 by 80. 3 by 80 is the value. Okay, thank you. I'll stop here.